Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Sometimes price doesn't move fast, but people do. Before a coin pumps, there's really high building on social media. In this video, I will show you how to use GMGN AI to track social sentiment and improve your early entry timing. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined this platform, you can use our referral code, which is IgGGTrth, or you can also check for referral link, which is available in the description of the video, so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever and it's easy to use. Okay. So what is social sentiment? Social sentiment means how people are talking about a coin online. Are more people excited? Are they ignoring it? This can influence how prices move. Okay, so why sentiment matters? In crypto, hype spreads fast. When more people start talking about a token, more buyers may come in. That's why sentiment can sometimes move the market before price does. You can check for the signals from the signal alpha score signals. You can check for the AI scores. Okay, and you can also check for the social tracker here. You can see the people discussing about it. Okay, you can see it here as well. Okay, so where to find sentiment in GMG and AI, I have already told you, and you can also get an idea from the trending token activity spikes, as you can see that, and mention or engagement indicator. Okay, so always look for rising attention. Start by finding tokens that are getting more attention. For example, suddenly trending tokens, increasing activity, and more users interacting. Okay, so also make sure to compare sentiment with trading volume, like high plus low volume. It means that it's the early stage, and if the hype is high and the volume is also high, it means that the coin is already moving. Okay, so find early entry zone. The best entries are often when attention is growing and but prices hasn't fully moved yet. This is where opportunity may exist, and you can take advantage of that. Okay, so social sentiments can be a powerful signal, but only when used correctly. If you want more simple tutorials like this, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.